What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 31 in the third grade math questions that North Carolina released during this past school year. We see that a train makes 9 stops each day, and we're being asked to figure out how many days it's going to take for the train to make 63 stops. Now, the two skills are ones that I've gone over in other problems, translating and using fact families. So if you watch the other videos, you'll get a couple more examples of each of those ideas, but we're going to go ahead and tackle this one. I'm going to start by looking at this word each. This is the most important word because this is going to tell me that each, let's see, if I see the word each or every or per, any of those three words tell me that I'm going to be multiplying. And specifically, I'm multiplying the number of stops by the number of days because it says 9 stops each day. So if I'm going to plug in a number for stops, that's 9 times some number I don't know yet, and we'll get to how to figure that out in just a bit. But that's going to equal, since it's asking how many days will it take for the train to make 63 stops, so we know that 9 times some number we don't know yet equals 63. Now I'm going to break out my idea of fact families, and I'm going to say that, okay, if we know that 9 times this number we don't know equals 63, then we also know that 63 divided by 9 equals this number that we don't know. And with this, once I've done all this work, all I have to do is turn my calculator on, 63 divided by 9, and then on my calculator I'm pressing the dividing key, but it gives me the fraction thing. That's why it looks a little bit different than yours might. And this gives me 7. So I'm thinking it's going to take 7 days for it to make 63 stops if it makes 9 stops per day, and that does match my answer choice A. Now it is good to go over the trick answers here, because we could see the number 9 and think, oh, the answer is 9. We could, instead of doing 63 divided by 9, do 63 minus 9, and that would get us 54, which is choice C. So that could trip you up there. We could go the other way and just add our numbers. That gives us 72, which is also an answer choice, but of course that's not the right answer. The point of going over all those is North Carolina loves, loves, loves to try to trick you. And if you're a parent or a teacher, they love, love, love to try to trick your students and your kids. So watch out for those trick answers and do every problem very carefully when you come up to it.